Self as driving following the Ten Commandments of driving, such as from LTO TISDA theoretical driving course, self-driving safety, Ten Commandments of safety driving as driver would say. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. I will not fast without care on curves nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. I do not make a twice without signaling my intentions. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every driver and pedestrian. Ten Commandments of road safety from travelers. Thou shalt not gaze at the phone.